Hey everyone, this is Dr. Kel Mann from Limitless Physical Therapy. Today I'm going to show you a whole gambit and strategies for smashing or doing some soft tissue work for your calves, your foot, pretty much your whole ankle foot complex when it comes to a post-workout or if you have some really, really tight muscles. So I've got some equipment here. As you can see, we've got a nice kettlebell, foam roller, a lacrosse ball, and a tennis ball. Now I usually like to start when I'm doing some good smashing, starting with something a little bit smaller and kind of pinpointing those different muscle groups. So I'll just move the camera here so you can see my leg a little bit better. I like to use the lacrosse ball mainly on these perennial muscles, so the ones on the outside. These are the ones that many of us forget about. Really important for stability, ones that can get a little tuned up on many of us. If you're having pain on the lateral side of the ankle, it's kind of shooting down. Sometimes that can be caused from some tension, tightness in this perennial group. There's a lot of nerve. There's a nerve that runs through there as well, so be careful. Make sure you're not rubbing through that too hard. And I just like kind of going at either a slow leisure pace or if you want to dig in a little bit deeper, kind of keep that sustained pressure. Usually like starting there. Then I like to go usually the anterior tibialis. For many of us, that can be pretty tight and tender. Then the biggest group is obviously those calf muscles on the backside. So up top, we have the soleus muscle. So that one's going to be kind of right below the knee and below that knee complex, working on rolling through that, really digging in, finding those tissue points, and then I like to work my way down through the other calf muscles. You can use a tennis ball as well, but a lacrosse ball just has a little more bang for its buck. Now, make sure you don't miss some of those foot muscles. So we've got a lot of the first MTP or that toe muscles that are important, and the plantar fascia. So the best way to do the plantar fascia is simply to step on that lacrosse ball. I'm just kind of working, really pushing through that plantar fascia, engaging those muscles. Usually after I hit some of the specifics with a lacrosse ball, I'll get into more of the generals. So that's using a foam roller, really nailing in the calf. Same concept, but I'm doing more of that sustained pressure as I go here. And then if there's a region that you really need to smash, you can use the kettlebell right here for a combination of those calf muscles, or if you're really feeling up for it, you can actually angle just right here and get those perennial muscles tuned in pretty well from this side ankle, as you can see. So either doing this, working your way through, or you can actually angle your foot and do it from the front. And really, like right there, I've hit a good bundle, really working my way through these muscles, holding anywhere from 30 to 60 seconds or until you get that release point. Now, there's lots of different ways you can do this. That's a little setup I explained for you guys. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to let me know.